The 24 consonant phonemes used in English from year to year. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme each. The name of this phoneme is each. It is a voiceless consonant phoneme. Consonant phonemes would appear only at the start position and the end position of a syllable. Start position. CHUB. Each a cha. Ib. Jab. CHRGE. Each a ja. Ij. Charge. CHICK. Each e chi ik chick. CHEEK. Each e chi ik pig. CHLLAC. Each u two is choose. CHLP. Each a cho. If chop. CHOIE. Each a cha. CHORCH. Each a cha. Each church. CHAIR. Each a chair. CHAIN. Each a chain. Chain. CHLAC. Each L so is sells. CHLSEN. Each L so is in zen chosen. NATURE. In a nay. Each ch nature. Renders syllable. MUTH. Im a ma each much. MARCH. Im a more. Each much. BITCH. If e b each beach. BEACH. If e b each beach. MATCH. Im a ma each match. COACH. If o go each coach. WATCH. O each arch. Generally, letters CHTU represent this phoneme.